so many things they happen for this country. We be like say we serve the Nigerians. Like for real, the thing e just be like say now they go pressure us do am, or now they will give us permission do am finish. Now they will still find the way to bring us down. So I just dey hear rumors, not be rumors sef. I don watch am, I don see with my eye. I say man I just talk about am, make everybody see hear am. You see this thing wey I put to Ola of Lagos, the thing e really dey frustrating. Shey you dey get? They say who no dey talk, for this Nigeria. They go put am for ground, they go pound am like say na another thing. Just imagine, just dey look wetin they do person pikin. Just look, ma just play everything for una. A lot of niggas know they talk, he just dey kind, he dey very gentle. Anywhere you see him, he go dey chant it, they fall and laugh, they do this, they do that one. So go see what they do for Ola of Lagos. Go see carport like this. Like for real, me no just understand. I no understand. I wish now they are money. Now they do that kind of thing now. They are Obi Kubana. No be like this if you be oh. If you know your be like this at all, you know guy want to talk am. If you know right now for full everywhere. Like therefore just the campaign. You know how many millions will be like say this boy, not millions. You know how many millions that boy now don't lose? That boy don't lose money. I just a pity because normally the thing not really get IB because now that government. But the mistake where you make first, you not supposed to build that kind of thing for that this thing. You understand? Not with that kind of power line you they build something like that put. But when it they build down, I don't see for real, like if you see truth, you talk. All those things, so it gets okay, so people will be like say that they are put to where they keep quiet. Try with very dark man. If very dark man like me build hotel or that power line, once you dare, we go sue you. If you don't feel sue you, also people go gather. They will support him. They will dry out for your body. So because of see Ola of Lagos now they talk, when I do this kind of thing. Normally, nobody to blame. Now to just start. Like anyway you want for continue, may just start for there. Life goes on. Now so you all be. Life goes on. May you also say this Nigeria, and they will fair use their hand take clap for you. If they clap for you finish, and they will still use their hand to tell you say waka for your face. You don't get what you want to do. How many you will feel beat? If na power that they find, if the power that they use. Many people for this country now, many for don't claim what they don't get, and they still they claim and okay. If you're not strong, let go. Nigeria. If you don't just get back up, if you don't get who support you, just know say your hold finish. If you don't turn 18, 19, 20, now 26 the right now. Me everybody now just go get lawyer because me like this now I don't agree. Me no fake. I know. Okay. I know you just talk too much. Make 2026 reach. Okay. No be task. But what they do Ola of Lagos, if they say me they talk truth, no good. It good though, but no good. Allegedly, no be saying I me talk on. Now wetin I know, now wetin I see with my eye.